Hey class, welcome to week 4 video announcement. Just wanted to go over a few items of business. First things first, hope everybody had a relaxing weekend or a very eventful weekend, depending on where you're at. If you're on campus and you're enjoying festivities on the weekends, hope it was fun and safe. I know the weather kind of cooled off a little bit. Um, just want to make sure that students are submitting work in the file that it's given. Do not submit PDF files anymore. Students are not at liberty to alter the file type. You're given these assignments in Word for the most part. Sometimes you'll be given it in PowerPoint or Excel. Students are not at liberty to alter the file type. I have to be able to make comments on it, number one. Number two, nowhere does it say it in the directions to go ahead and convert it to PDF. So if by chance you submit it to the Dropbox in PDF, you'll be given a 0 as a placeholder, and you'll be required to convert it back to Word or whatever file type it is. Message me in the class saying, I'm ready to submit, and then I'll open the Dropbox. You will be given per day late points. So if it's 2-3 days later, you're going to get 2-3 days late points. So by now, students should be accustomed to submitting all work in the way it's supposed to be. Okay? This week, there's 2 assignments due by Sunday. Also, your DQs are really helpful. One's about your relationships with, faculty members, staff, clubs, student engagement. And so the second DQ asks and talks about, you learn about support groups. So these 2 DQs coincide a little bit, but they're separate questions, separate answers. It's very important to know your faculty members and university staff and clubs. Some students are going through some stress right now, whether they're in clubs or in groups or by themselves or introverts. It's sometimes students go through a lot of stress because it is a difficult time being away from home sometimes. I know I loved it when I was away from home. My parents were upset that I wasn't homesick or feeling depressed about being away from home, and some students are like that. And then I had friends that would tell me that they're pretty sad that they're away from home, and so I would spend a little extra time with them. We'd go out and play basketball or go to the rec center, go out to eat, go watch movies, you know. But the university that I went to definitely doesn't have the support that Grand Canyon University has. There's a lot of activities out there, a lot of clubs, a lot of people walking around willing to help out. So let me know too. I have students that will comfortably say, "Can you call me? Can we do a Zoom meeting? Can we speak on the phone?" I've done more Zoom meetings than phone calls. And hey, you know what? I need a way to plug into this school because I'm feeling alone a little bit, and that's okay. I plug them right in. We get you right plugged into some clubs. We send you over some places to where you could actually become accustomed to student life. So there's a huge support group and support system. I'm one of them. Please reach out to me if you have any issues. Um, the readings this week deal with a lot of this stuff, so please read the readings this week. Ugh, tongue twisted there. You have one about friendship work. You have one about anxiety, depression, stress, sleep patterns. Um, just goal setting, all this stuff that really helps out quite a bit. There's one about peer and friendship, goal setting and action planning, spiritual well-being and health-related ones of quality of life in college students. There's all sorts of things out there to read that's really helpful that will benefit you this week, and not just this week, beyond this week. So I hope everybody has a really good week this week. I'm very approachable, so if you're having any issues, stress, anxiety, please let me know. Sometimes I don't know. I'm surprised sometimes my A, B students will be the ones going through more than I realize. So please let me know what you're going through if you need any help, okay? I hope everybody has a safe and fun week. Talk to you later.